I welcome you to one more class. Today in this class we will learn determiners. Determiners is an important part of HSLC question paper. So here in this class we will learn what are the types of the determiners and in what context they are used. So for this I have selected some questions from previous years from question bank. So it will help you to be acquainted with the determiners and the way how it is used. So as I will be doing this question answers of this determiners, I will show you, I will explain you what are the types of determiners which are used in what context. So let's see. In fact, you have already learned determiners from class 5 onwards. So here in today's class we will not learn all the determiners. We will concentrate to particular determiners. So before going to learn the rules of the determiners, let's see what are the determiners. It is because in HSLC question paper, in class 10 question paper, you are not always given in bracket what are the determiners. So if you are asked to choose particular determiner, it will be easier. But if you are not given any kind of option, then it will be difficult for you. So you must know what are the determiners. So let's see. So determiners already you have got in class 5, 6, 7 I think. So we will not discuss. Only I have written the definition. Determiner is a word used before a noun to show the kind or reference that noun is to make. It may be specific, it may be general. So accordingly, determiners are divided into two categories. One is specific, one is general. Now specific determiners. There are 4 types. First one is the. Already you are very much familiar with this. It is definite article. Number B, these, that, those, these, etc. These are demonstrative determiners. Number C, my, your, his, its, their. So these are possessive determiner. Somebody. It belongs to somebody. That is in possession of someone. So it is possessive. Number D, what, which, how, where. So these are interrogative determiners. Then let's come to general determiners. So this is very important. This I think you are more or less familiar with. We will come back to this specific determiner in some other class. So today we will do general determiners. General determiners are a, an, indefinite article. Specific is the. Specific, something is specific. The boy, we are talking of the boy. So it will be definite. So indefinite, a, n. Number B, 1, 2, first, third, etc. These are numeral also. Numeral determiner, it is also called numeral determiners. Then few, no, both, some, many, more, most, several. These are also numeral determiners. Then number D, some, little, much, more, no, enough. These are quantitative determiner. Number E, each, either, every, neither, several, other, another. These are distributive determiners. What, which, whose we can include in general determiners also. So now let's see some of the very important determiners that usually comes in your HSLC or class 10 question paper. So here I have written down some question papers from 1998 onwards. I received this help from his teachers. So help. Help is something which you cannot count. Can you count help? Help is uncountable. Uncountable noun. So determiner is already, I have said determiner is used before noun. As this noun is uncountable, you have to use much. Because much is used with uncountable nouns. And many is used with countable nouns. And more is used in case of comparison. You have got comparative degree, superlative degree. So in case of comparison, we use more. Number 2, I can depend dash friends I have. Few, a few, the few. Now the uses of the few, a few and few. If you don't know, let me tell you. Few, almost none. A few, very less. The few, you are saying to that particular or some specific. Okay. So the is used already with specific. The is already specific determiner. I can depend the few friends I have. So I have already some friends. So I am talking about them. I am not talking about some other friends. So I am not talking about your friends. I'm not talking about his friend, her friend. I'm talking about my friends. Few friends I have. So the few friends. So I'm talking about the particular friends. The few friends. 1999, one question I have written down. Dash union leaders will address the workers. So this is also a particular leader. So you will be using the. The union leaders will address the workers, not an. An will be indefinite. You don't know. 2000. In 2002 questions I have written down. I received dash encouragement from my parents. So here again encouragement, help, these are uncountable. So before uncountable, what you have to use? Much. Already I told you. Number 2. My brother is NCC cadet. So before N, we pronounce A. A-N. A-N. So A-N is article. A-N is vowel. A-N is vowel. So we are pronouncing that. That is why you have to use an. Otherwise this is a consonant. With consonant we don't use N. But here you are using because it's pronounced like vowel sound. Next, 2001. Dash of the boy has done his work. So here, all the boys means or everyone. So here you will be using each of the boy has done his work. Every of the boy you cannot write. You cannot write some of the boy has done his work. It will be incorrect because his is there. So you have to use here each of the boy has done his work. She has dash things to do. She has lots of things to do. Lots of things. Lots of will be more appropriate here. Much is not appropriate here. Most is also not appropriate here. Most is again in superlative degree. 2002. Our principal is a man of dash words. So few, a few, the few. The uses of the little, few are almost same. Few means very less. A few means very less. Few means almost none. The few you are using a particular friends. So here in this case, or particular not friends, particular thing. Our principal is a man of dash words. So he doesn't talk much. He has a personality because he is the principal. So you have to write here few. He doesn't talk much. Our principal is a man of few words. The story is dash interesting. Here very will be most appropriate. The story is very interesting, not much interesting and more interesting. 2003. Dash of their property was destroyed in the flood. So property may be countable, maybe uncountable, we don't know. So much you use better. Much of their property was destroyed in the flood. This is dash European lady I was talking about. So here European lady, European lady, she is or he is talking about. So already he is talking about someone he knows, and he is pointing out that this is the lady whom I was talking about. So here you have to use this is the lady, that is some specific lady, particular lady, not anyone and everyone. The particular lady he knows only, he is talking about. So up to 2003, next 2004. So 2004, number 1, only dash of the applicants were suitable. So only a few means very less applicants were suitable. I expect only dash encouragement from you. So encouragement from you. I expect only a little encouragement from you. Little. Then a small amount, not much. Only is given because. Do you, 2005, first one. Do you have dash books on astrology? Do you have any books on astrology? Kalidas is dash Shakespeare of India. So Shakespeare, you know, he is the world famous dramatist as well as poet, William Shakespeare. So what he was to England, Kalidas is to India. So he is the Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. If you compare someone with someone like this, you have to use the. An umbrella is dash useful thing. An umbrella is a useful thing. Here, although it is vowel, we are using a because you are pronouncing you fully. The words, the letters you pronounce in full, you have to use consonant. U is pronounced. If instead of useful, there is another word. Suppose utmost. Utmost, you are not using U pronunciation. So in that case, an utmost. But here you have to use a. Sri Lanka is an island. Already it is vowel. They won the match without much difficulty. Hurrah! Oh, not hurrah. Hurry up! We have only dash time left. How much time? A little time. A little means little, not many, not much. Honorary secretary gets no salary for holding the post. Honorary, although it is consonant, we are using the sound of vowel. So, an honorary. An honorary will be correct. Dash men are free from faults. So, here no man are free from fault. Is there any man who is not free from fault? No. So, here you are using few. Because few, I told you, few is used with rare or none. So, no man is free from fault. Few men are free from fault. He will come back within an hour. So, our H is not pronounced. Although it is consonant, it is not pronounced. O is pronounced. So, it is an you have to use. I buy dash books every month. I buy a few books. Some books means some books I buy every month. Please give me dash time to finish my work. In 2015 there is no option. See, sometimes there may be no options also. So please know the determiners. What are the determiners? And we have seen what are the most common determiners. A and the. Few, a few, the few, then any, more, a and the. I think these are only the determiners which are coming again and again. So, try to learn these determiners very well. So, these are the most common determiners that comes in your HSLC question paper. So let's come to the last one. Please give me dash time to finish my work. Please give me a little time. Also you can write some other determiners comes to your mind. Okay, there may be some. I have not thought about it. The first thought that comes to my mind is a little. So a little time to finish my work. So these are the determiners we have completed. We have gone through the question papers up to 2015. So in some other class we will discuss more about determiners. Till then, bye.